Hello. Today we're going to be talking about information of technology, or IoT. What is information of technology? Information of technology stands for Internet of Things. This term refers to the connection of devices for the purpose of collecting and sharing data amongst each other. That can refer to devices communicating back and forth about data in the agricultural field or the medical field. This helps in several industries that we will later discuss on. Who is using IoT? Amazon has rolled out a framework called Amazon Web Services, allowing them to connect devices across the cloud. Microsoft has also done the same, has developed the Azure IoT Suite, which is a tremendous analytic platform that helps industry management be able to increase efficiency on the platform. Relating to jobs, most IoT requires a degree in CIS up to a master's. Where is IoT being used? The primary user of IoT are those in the manufacturing, transportation, utilities, and agricultural field. It is currently making advances in the medical and smart home industries as well. It hasn't reached the same degree as transportation or agricultural, but it's on the come up. The medical industry is currently looking to expand on the monitoring aspects of IoT. This will help them increase patient survivability and diagnosis on them. When is IoT being used? IoT is being used right now by the previously mentioned industries. There are currently over 1 billion devices connected to it right now, and reports as of 2022 says that there's over 10 billion right now. However, with the high consequences of malfunctioning in the medical industry, it will take a little bit more time to integrate fully. Why should you use IoT? Better allocation of resources. It'll help improve efficiency at your work. It gives you real-time data analytics of specified components that you're looking at. It gives you enhanced monitoring and sensing. Not only that, you can remote monitor. You don't even have to be right there. And it is helping improve automation of machines. My favorite country is Japan. Let's see how they're implementing IoT in their SDG in their country. Japan is currently looking to cover the good health and well-being SDG category. They are using IoT to help people monitor their sugar levels with type 2 diabetes with a IoT platform right now. Thank you for listening, and here's a little trivia game for you at the end. 2 facts and a lie. Pick which one you think is a lie and put it in the comments section below. Thank you for listening today, and I hope you have a great day.